In this video, you'll learn how to set up sync filters for the SugarCRM Sugar Market integration. Sync filters allow you to choose which records to sync from SugarCRM into Sugar Market based on fields that match specific criteria set in the connector screen. Sync filters define the records that sync from SugarCRM into Sugar Market. They do not define the records that sync from Sugar Market back into SugarCRM. After you've set your sync preferences, you're ready to complete the steps to set up the sync filters, which we'll review in this video. If you do not set up any sync filters, then all records in the selected core tables will sync from SugarCRM into Sugar Market. Since sync filters define the records that are syncing down from SugarCRM, it's important to consider these settings carefully and test them before using the filters. Please note that sync filters run at the record level, not the field level. If you're not syncing a module from SugarCRM, a sync filter is not necessary for that module. Lastly, you can mass delete the records that synced prior to enabling your sync filter that you do not want to keep in Sugar Market. To navigate to the sync filter settings, click through the User menu and select Admin View. Under CRM Administrator, select the External Connectors tab, then go to SugarCRM Settings, and click through the Sync Filtering tab. Here is where you'll set up and test your sync filter. Each sync filter is built on a per module basis. The first step is to select the reference module from SugarCell that contains the records to be filtered. You'll have the core modules available to choose from, which include accounts, leads, contacts, and opportunities. For this example, we're going to set up a sync filter to include all account type records that are not a competitor and a partner. The module I need to select for this filter is accounts, since that's the table where the field I need to reference is located. Then click Build Filter. The next step is to build the sync filter. In the pop-up window, I'll configure the conditions for the filter. It's important to remember that the filter will include any data that matches the conditions built, and that data will sync to Sugar Market. First, I must select the field name by clicking through the field menu and selecting Type. Next, I'll select the filter's operator and identify the value match. The type field is a pick list, and I can see all the available values by clicking through the Value Input menu. Instead of creating an equals filter to include each value I want to pull into Sugar Market, I'm going to create one filter that excludes the competitor type records. To do so, I'll select the operator not equals, and then the value competitor from the value input. To set additional conditions to be combined with or evaluated against the condition you just set, click the AND or button based on the type of logic desired. The AND logic should be selected to include additional criteria that the records need to meet, resulting in a narrow data return. The OR logic should be selected to select an additional value that the records can meet to be included in the sync, which results in a broader return of data. If I wanted to exclude partner type records as well, I would need to click the OR operator, select the field type, select the operator not equals, and then select the value type partner. Now, the filter will ensure that all records with account types that do not equal competitor or partner will be synced to Sugar Market from SugarCRM. To create a separate field grouping within the selected SugarCRM module, click the AND or OR button at the bottom of the dialog and then repeat the steps outlined above. Click the Save button when all filter conditions for the selected module are complete. To set filter conditions for another SugarCRM module, select the module on the first step and repeat the steps for building a sync filter. I can make changes to an existing sync filter by clicking Build Filter under the reference module and clicking the pencil icon to edit, or clicking the trash icon to delete. After all filter conditions are set as desired, you can perform a test to help you determine if your filters are performing as expected. The test returns a preview of up to 20 records that will be synced over from SugarCRM with the filters as currently defined. Testing your sync filters is not required, but we highly recommend doing so to ensure that the expected results are returned. To test my sync filter, I need to select Run Test Sync. A pop-up window will allow you to preview a sample set of records that will be returned after the sync filter is applied. You can select up to 5 fields to preview your dataset. To change the fields displayed, remove any unwanted fields by clicking the X icon on the field and then type the name of the new field you want to display. You can then scroll to review the records or type to search for a specific record. If the results returned do not meet your expectations, you can go back to the Edit Sync filter. After the sync between Sugar Market and SugarCRM has started, use the sync dashboard to view results. You should now have an understanding of how to set up and test filters for the SugarCRM and Sugar Market integration. Thanks for watching.